Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Time design team projects. I'll have all of the pictures of all the products that I'm using at the end of the video. And so let's start out. We're going to start out with this cute little tag here. So for this little snowman, this came from the Warm and Fuzzy Hug stamp and die set because I used that die to cut him out. So super cute. This little snowflake die came from the gift tag dies, gift card tag dies, and I did not realize how pretty this little snowflake was until I cut it out. And of course, since winter's still going on, what other way to display winter by using my Creative Time products? This little heart came from the assorted mini bows, and that is just so cute. And I popped some gems on top of there. The papers came from, let's see, this gingerbread paper, I'm sorry, this gingham paper came from Gingerbread Kisses, and I layered right on top of that the ginger stuffs for those hearts. And that I used that paper for that. But he turned out super cute. Sorry, I did not save the colors that I used to color him up with, or her, but sorry about that. But the main tag came from folded tag die. So like I said, I will insert those items in right now. So you'll see everything that I used to create this here. Okay, on to this one. This is just so cute. Anyways, My Creative Time recently came out with this one. This is her last release. And this little person here, or little girl, because I made her a little girl, came from Love You Most stamp and dies. So I colored her up, then used the dies to cut her out. And then I went to my gingerbread accessories too and cut that out using that paper, the Fun Valentine paper, to cut out this cute little hat. And I just wanted it to be a little girl, so I thought I would pop on that hat like a little bonnet or something. But she turned out so cute. And then I'm also using the fancy A2 Fancy Frame dies and the layer dies for that background. And then these little hearts came from the Cute Heart Frame dies. And so that is so cute. Love, love, love how she turned out. And in order to make my cheeks, I just thought I would pop that in. I actually use colored pencils, and then I'll use the, what is it called? Gamsol to blend it out, and then I'll add in the little freckles. But love how she turned out. She is so super cute. I did finish off the inside of the card. I just layered a frame die, one of the fancy frame die layers in there. But just so, so cute. I love her. But if you'd like any of these products, I'll have them all linked down below, as well as my Creative Times channel, her store. I mean, everything that you need to go and visit my Creative Time, it'll be down below for you, as well as my design team sisters. So use all those links down below. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.